Today, we're going to learn how to make paper snowflakes. There are different levels of challenging that you can choose, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of the levels of challenge, and you can do it yourself. To begin making any kind of snowflake, though, you need to have a square piece of paper. So you can take a paper from the Origami Center or a paper from the drawing or collage. If it's not already perfectly square, here's how you do it. You take one of the corners and line it up with the edge. Fold it and hold it down really tight and crease it. Then cut off the extra rectangle that's hanging off the edge. The part that you folded, if you were to unfold it, now is a perfect square. But we still have this leftover rectangle. So you're going to take this leftover rectangle and do that again. Fold the one corner to the other edge, make a crease, cut off the rectangle, and you're going to keep doing this until you're out of paper. Which you can see I've done here by continually folding the rectangles and cutting off the excess, which left me with 4 squares and one tiny little sliver of paper. So now I'm going to teach you how to make a 12-sided snowflake. To do this, you're going to begin with one of your square pieces of paper. Fold it in half so it's a triangle, fold it in half so it's another small triangle, and then you don't fold it in half again. This time you fold it into thirds. You're going to fold it, flip it, fold it, so that you end up with a V-type shape. Then you need to cut off the top of those funny rabbit ears, and when you open it, you will see that there are 12 segments making your 12-sided snowflake. It is very important to pay attention to where the folds are. You can see here that this is where all my folds meet, which will be the middle of my snowflake. But on the other side is where all the open sides are. I don't want to begin cutting right away. First, though, I want to take my pencil and draw in my designs. Once the designs have been drawn in, go ahead and cut them out, keeping track of all of those little scraps you've cut out so that the floor does not become a mess. Pull them out gently, and don't cut anything too big, and be careful with the scissors. Then, once you're done cutting out the design you drew, carefully unfold your snowflake, being very careful not to tear the paper to reveal your design. And ta-da, you've made a fantastic snowflake. If you are unsure of a design to cut into your snowflake, I've given some ideas for you on the board. You can look at these patterns and see what they look like cut and what they look like unfolded. What you do is you cut away the gray area. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're cutting away shapes is that you are cutting away a half of a shape. So here I have a circle, half of a circle, half of a square, half a heart, and half triangle, half star. And then on the edge with all the folds, I did a zigzag. Once I cut out all these designs, you can see that they turned into a full part of that shape. There was a full star. Here's half of a heart, created a full heart. Half of a square creates a full square, and so on and so forth. It's only half, and when you unfold it, you can see you get the full shape. So have fun designing your amazing snowflakes and enjoy class today.